Let me show you how to create a cracked image effect in Photoshop.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So drag your image to Photoshop. Make sure it is well positioned, and once you are done, click enter. So this is the cracked image. Now position it to the right place so that the blending won't be stressful. Go to the blending option and choose multiply. Press Ctrl J to make a duplicate and adjust accordingly. Choose the two cracked layer and press Ctrl G to group them. Also, don't forget to rename it. Now add a layer mask to the group layer. Choose the soft run brush and with the black color selected as the foreground color, brush out unwanted part. Sharpen the crack layer to add a bit of realism to it. Now let's fine-tune the image. Follow this process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.